Alright folks, it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. We're about to go bass fishing. We're going about an hour and a half away to a lake in McIntosh County, Georgia. Let's go get some bass. In a little lake back here that comes off the Altamaha River. We're gonna catch some bass this morning. Let's go get it. I'm so excited. We're about to launch out. I'm with my dad. He's over there at the truck. Let's go get these fish. This is the bait we're using right here. Dad's over here throwing the red shad. Get him. There you go. Alright folks, just pulled in the first bass of the day off a red shad worm. I was throwing this swimmer bait and I felt him pop it. I missed him on that, so I threw in that red shad and he hit it. We're gonna get these bass today. Fish loving that red shad today. Just got this nice little shell cracker on that red shad. That's what we're fishing with right there. He's not a bass, but he'll do. Tearing up the worm. Just got another bass. It's a little after 2 o'clock. That's a nice fight right there. Alright, made it back home. Been a very successful day of fishing. Stocked the cooler. On to the next.